Today, we're going to walk through how to install the trim on your bathroom tub and shower using Delta's single-function trim kits, typically models beginning with T13 or T14. Step 1. Understanding the rough-in valve. Behind the wall is Delta's multi-choice universal rough valve. This valve is designed to be compatible with a wide variety of Delta trim kits and finishes. It allows you to upgrade or change the trim functionality without having to change the valve inside the wall. Step 2. Start the trim installation. Before you begin, make sure the water is turned off. 1. Remove the bonnet nut from the valve and set it aside for reuse. 2. Remove the test cap, used for pressure testing during rough-in. This can be discarded. 3. Pull out the debris screen, a small black piece inside the valve body. This can also be discarded. 4. Locate the H marking on the new cartridge, indicating the hot side. Install it with the H on the left or whichever side your hot water is on. 5. Align the cartridge keys with the valve keyways and press it into place. Step 3. Installing the shower arm and shower head. 1. Identify the long and short sides of the shower arm. Insert the long side into the wall fitting. 2. Wrap plumber's tape around both threaded ends, 4 to 6 wraps. Ensure the tape will not unravel during tightening. 3. Slide the flange, finish side out, over the arm and back slightly. 4. Thread the shower arm into the fitting until snug and pointing downward. 5. Push the flange flush against the wall. Step 4. Installing the tub spout. 1. Open the tub spout hardware bag carefully. The instructions are printed on the outside. Do not discard it. 2. Identify the correct tub spout adapter type, threaded, sweat-on, or slip-on with a set screw. 3. For a slip-on adapter, slide the adapter over the copper pipe with the set screw facing down. Tighten the set screw with a 1/8-inch hex key. Do not over-tighten. If you're soldering a sweat-on adapter, remove the O-ring first to avoid damage. 4. Apply silicone to 3 sides of the back of the tub spout, top, left, and right, avoiding the weep hole at the bottom. 5. Slide the spout over the adapter and twist until it's tight and facing downward. Step 5. Installing the valve trim. 1. Slide the black O-ring over the valve and seat it firmly against the bonnet nut. 2. Insert the spacer inside the sleeve. Then slide the sleeve over the cartridge. 3. On the escutcheon plate, make sure the foam gasket is intact. 4. Apply a thin bead of silicone around the gasket, except at the bottom drain hole. 5. Insert the screws through the escutcheon and align with the mounting holes. Step 6. Handle installation and temperature adjustment. 1. Lightly place the handle onto the valve stem. Do not tighten the set screw yet. 2. Turn the water supply back on. 3. Run cold water first, then turn the handle fully to hot. 4. Use a thermometer to measure water temperature. Wait until it stabilizes.